In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field required in DocuSign. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding how to set a field as required is an essential skill for managing your documents effectively. So, let's dive right in and see how easy it is to ensure certain fields can't be overlooked when sending a document for signature. First, you'll need to access the document you wish to modify. Start by opening your document in DocuSign's editing interface. This is where the magic happens, where you can customize your document to suit your needs. If you're not familiar with this interface, it's the area that allows you to prepare and set up a document before you send it off to a recipient. Once your document is open in the editing interface, focus on selecting the specific field you want to make required. This could be a signature field, a date field, text box, or any other type of field you've included in your document. Clicking on the field with your cursor will highlight it, making it ready for further customization and adjustments. After selecting the field, turn your attention to the Field Properties panel, which is typically located on the right-hand side of the interface. Here, you'll see a variety of options available for customizing the field to meet your needs. Look for the Required Field checkbox within this panel. This option is key to transforming a field from optional to mandatory, and it ensures that anyone filling out the document must complete this field before they can proceed to the next step. To enable the required field, simply check the Required Field box. By doing this, you're instructing DocuSign that this particular field cannot be left blank. This is especially useful for critical information, such as signatures or other essential data you need from the document signer. Once this box is checked, users will be prompted to fill in this field before they can complete the signing process. So, just to recap, open your document in DocuSign's editing interface, select the field you wish to change, locate the Required Field checkbox in the Field Properties panel, and make sure to check it. This simple process is a powerful tool in ensuring your documents are complete and meet all necessary requirements before being finalized. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make fields required in DocuSign. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you gain greater control over how your documents are managed and completed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials tailored to improve your productivity and efficiency with DocuSign. Happy document editing!